Alright, we are back with episode 34. And we're getting ready to start painting fenders. I am going to insert a clip from what should have been on this last week's video, and I forgot. So I will include that. That was a short video of the interior haul from Saturday. It's currently Monday evening. I have tonight, Tuesday night, Wednesday night. I need to get this whatever done and on the trailer. 3 nights. And then we're on the way to Maggie Thursday morning. Short week. Got a lot to do. And yeah. Time to get busy. Got to rock out. We got to paint the hood too. I don't think the roof of that is going to get painted, unfortunately. But anywho, keep watching and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so we're back home from Southeast All Truck Nationals, and realized I didn't film my outro for this last Mazda video, and I also realized that I didn't hardly get any footage. I got, spraying the fenders, but past that, I was in such a rush Wednesday night that I didn't even get any footage. I forgot to turn the camera on. But do have a couple pictures, so I'll throw the pictures up here on the screen, and you can kind of see where we're at. We did get it to Southeast All Truck Nationals, and man, the feedback was great. A lot of you guys come up to me, give me great feedback. So we'll continue to work on that as we get time. But next up is going to be the C10. So that's going to do it for this video. Nice and short. I apologize we didn't get more footage, but yeah, don't harsh on me too bad. I'm not a painter. I don't claim to be a painter. I like painting, but the sanding and everything else leading up to it, the bodywork, I can't stand that stuff, man. I hate it. But still learning how to do that stuff too. How to bodywork properly, how to spread Bondo properly, or body filler. Learning how to do all that stuff still. So yeah. Got any tips, tricks? Throw them down in the comment section below. And yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Need those things from you guys. Helps grow the channel. I will say from the time before we left for All Truck Nationals till the time we got back, we gained like 20 subscribers. Thank you guys for that. I think a lot of them come from the show. But yeah. So we're going to get this video here finished up, and then I'm going to roll right into editing the All Truck Nationals video. So you guys take a look at that, and we'll throw up some pictures from the Mazda for it on that as well. Pictures from the show, and all that footage. So keep watching. Like I said, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and we will see you guys next time. Keep doing work. Peace.